Hello everyone, DJ Aaron here. Today we are going to make a YouTube video, and this YouTube video is going to be on the HP that's here. Yes, the front bezel is off, and long story short, there's only a few tabs left on it. So, yeah, not worth putting back together. So, anyways, today we are going to do a video on this thing, and it is going to be an awesome one here. First off, we're going to do a smoke test to make sure everything works, and I mean make sure everything works. So there we go. Hopefully we'll get the HP logo on there. And we're going to press F1, so we're going to go into setup, make sure everything is running fine. It says Tuesday, May 9th, 2017. System clock is 23 hours, 47 minutes, and 24 seconds. So we're going to see everything that's in there. We got a 1 gig stick that's in there. For installed memory, and bank 2 and 3, or bank 2 and 4 have the 512 megabyte sticks that are in there, which would make up a gigabyte. Let's see, advanced. Everything is running fine. We have an AMD Athlon 64X2 dual core processor. I believe it is 64-bit, so that is good. We have, after AC power failure, it says auto, and all that stuff. Boot time diagnostic screen is disabled. Boot device priority, etc. We're going to just go ahead and exit, so we're going to hit escape and exit without saving changes, and we're going to boot right into Linux. So I'm going to hit the F2 key to boot right into Linux, and yeah, it should boot. And Skype's calling. Hang on just a second, guys. It's gonna go into the boot screen anyways. Alright, as I'm doing this here, we got a guest on Skype. We have DJ Steven.
Hello.
Hello. Anyways, we're working on this computer over here. This is a video being made for Pentium. So I'm going to go ahead and log into Linux. So that's all I got on this machine. I'm thinking about loading OBS on this thing. See if I can get it to broadcast. This might become the new broadcast computer. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go through the system. I know that I'm only doing this with one hand here. So we're going to go into System Tools. We're going to go into System Monitor. We're going to see that there's processes running. This is pretty similar to what Mac OS X has as well. We can move the window about, and it's pretty snappy. And let's see, we have resources. We have, it looks like something went with Steven's video. I don't think Steven's with me anymore. He just all of a sudden froze. Anyways, back to the video. Anyways, we are using only a little bit of the CPU. I'd say about 19 12%, etc. But memory, though, we are... I'm going to hang that up. Alright, memory, we are running pretty good. I mean, we're not using any swap at all. Network, we're receiving and sending packets just fine. So we have that as well. File system is dev disk, I believe it's a 1. ext4, and total is 400. I believe total disk is I believe 490 0.0 gigabytes. Available is 459.4 gigabytes, and used is only 5.7 gigabytes, which is only 1% of that. Okay, so we're going to close out of this. Let's see what kind of applications we have on this thing. We have sound and video. We have Viscero Disk Burner. We have Cheese Webcam Booth. I don't have a webcam currently on this machine because if I do any casting, it'd probably be audio only. We have a media player. We have OpenShot video editor. So if you are into editing videos and you want a video editor to use, here's OpenShot. It's pretty similar to what iMovie is, kind of. For sound and video, we have Rhythmbox, which is also another player. There's Rhythmbox, which is pretty cool. I do not have any music on here at this point in time, but you know, it is kind of cool to see that. Internet, we have desktop sharing, we have Empathy instant messaging, we have Firefox, which is the web browser. We have Geary Mail, which is no longer in, should I say, support. We have Remote Desktop, and then we have the Zorin Browser Manager. It needs a password, so I'm not going to do that. So we do have the Browser Manager. We have Office. We have a good set of LibreOffice suites here. We have LibreOffice. We have Document Viewer. We have Calendar. Let's see what the calendar looks like. There's the calendar. It's set to California. Anyways, we have more Office. We have LibreOffice. We have LibreCalc. We have LibreOffice Draw. We have LibreOffice Impress, and we have Writer. Impress is pretty much like what you call kind of like how I don't know, like what is the oh yeah, PowerPoint. So it's kind of like PowerPoint in a way, and it's pretty cool. You could add different things, slides and whatnot. So that's pretty cool. What else? Graphics. We have Document Viewer, GIMP, Image Viewer, LibreOffice Draw, Photos, and Simple Scan. Games. We only have a few games on this thing. We have like a solitaire game. We have Mahjong. We have Mines, and we have Sudoku. And if you want to do Mines, you could do, it's kind of like Minesweeper in a way. Yeah, it's kind of like Minesweeper in a way. places where you do your stuff. Here's wine, which comes pre-installed. We have configure wine, play on Linux, uninstall wine software, and we also have wine tricks. So now at this point in this video, you guys are probably thinking, does it actually work with the internet? Well, we'll find out. We'll open up Firefox. Firefox pops up. We're going to type in the search. Type in the search in YouTube. And we're going to go youtube.com. And I'm actually signed in, by the way. I did this off camera before I shut down the computer. I do not have AdBlock Plus on this thing, so you're gonna see ad load. So let's see here. I'm gonna close ad. Let the page load a little bit. So we're going to do a YouTube test. Now I know this will probably end up failing because the internet doesn't quite work very well on this computer, and its main reason is the motherboard is on its way out and doesn't provide a whole lot of power to the USB. So what's going to end up happening is the the video is going to stop playing and it's going to buffer. I bet you that's what's going to happen. Let's go to my channel. And we're going to play one of my videos. As soon as it loads here. It takes any day now. So, you guys are probably wondering that, does this thing actually play? I'm going to try and pick a short video. And we'll see if that's even the case. We're loading video right now. And I take that as a no. I really take that as a no, because YouTube playback isn't working very well. Like I said, it has to do with this motherboard being completely about shot. Now, let me see if I can move this up here and point it in this direction. That probably don't work either. Let's allow flash. Allow now. And I believe this is working off a Flash player. So I allowed Flash player to do something. And I don't think that's going to work either. Yeah. So internet capability on this thing isn't that dependable. I mean, it is, but as far as playing YouTube videos, as you're seeing right now, it really isn't working out, as you could probably see. I'm clicking on videos, but they don't seem to want to load. So yeah. You can't even get to the settings. So I'm going to abort the internet capability progress here, or capabilities on this thing, because apparently this computer is almost on its way out. So I'm going to abort that. So what we do have here now is, I believe, I'm going to go to System Settings. That's that. So one of the reasons I did not want to waste any time on I didn't want to waste any time on the thing. Recent items. Where's the theme changer? Zorin theme changer. Okay, so this is where things are good here. We have like different theme changers, so we could change certain themes. Like I could change it to green, I can change it to orange, I can change it to red. It all depends on what kind of theme that you want. Also, if we go into System Tools and we go Zorin Look Changer, we have Windows 7. This is what Windows XP looks like. It actually works this time. Slick! That actually works. I never thought that would actually work. It always has failed every time I use that. And here's the GNOME look of that. In the Pro versions or Pro editions, or the other editions, it would actually have an OS 10 look to it as well. So anyways, guys, I made this video long enough. I'm going to shut her down, and yeah. Anyways, guys, that is it for this video. Peace out, and practice, and enjoy.